So I'm in a taxi now, and I'm on my way to the Thai immigration on Changwantana Road. You know, going to immigration is never fun, but there are times when it's relatively easy to get things done, and times when it's a huge pain in the ass. So hopefully I'll be in and out within a half an hour. All I've got to do is present the application for a re-entry permit, and basically they just stamp it, and that's it. I'm out of there. But if there's a long line, then I'm out of there in a long time. So hopefully I'm in and out within 30 minutes. Like I said, that would be good. But it's a bit far from my house. It's about 45 minutes away. For whatever reason, it always takes me a long time to get there, but not much time to get back. And right now it doesn't seem like there's too much traffic, so that's great. I purposely left at, I think it's about 10, yeah, it's 10 o'clock in the morning now. Purposely left around this time, later in the morning after the rush hour, so the traffic would be minimal. So anyway, I'll be there shortly, and the video will start up then. Okay, I'm at the immigration department at the government building, and I just made my copies. I'm getting ready to go in and put my application in at the immigration department. So anyway, here's a look at the complex here. Quite large.
number 18.
คลองจันทน์นะคะ
ครับผมคลองจันทน์บางกะปิ
อยู่เมืองไทยนานแล้วนี่
17 กว่าปีประมาณ17 ปี
17 ปีเลยเหรอ
ครับผมมีเมียมีลูก
โตหรือยัง
อายุ12แล้วก็10ยังไม่โตแค่โซนมีลูกกี่คนครับ
มีลูก2 คน
โตหรือยัง
โตแล้วเป็น120ของเธอต้องดูเลยอันนี้นะครับเป็นรูปแบบก่อนนะคะ 1,000 เนาะ
ครับ So that's it. I'm done. 45 minutes. Got here at 10:45. It's 11:30 now. And I got my re-entry permit, 1,000 baht. So I'm out of here. Time to go eat some lunch.